Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I am showing you how to get multiple videos on screen. Okay, to be honest with you, it's really easy. Okay, so I'm going to show you how. I have these two clips, drag and drop them into the timeline. Okay, and instead of putting them side by side, I'm going to put them on top of each other. Now, at the moment you can only see that top one. I'm going to mute that because that is very loud, but you can only see that top one. So what you need to do is do the top one first, because that's the one which is showing, and head up into Effect Controls, and I'm going to just adjust the scale so that it fits on the screen. Okay, and behind it you can see the second video. All you need here is scale and position. Okay, so let's do the bottom one as well. Put that scale down, and let's just move its position. So we'll move this to the left, and we will move this one to the right. And just mess around with its scale on both of them, okay? It is literally move it around and mess up with the scale and make sure they're layered on top of each other. Now let's play it. Look at that, both videos playing at the same time. I told you it was easy. Just minimize the videos, move them in different locations, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.